Hey, looky here. We actually have daylight here on Right Turn Garage TV. So, the missus has been telling me about a pretty good fan of mine. And says he watches the show all the time. This here is just a little, I'm going to give you a rundown on what we've been doing, what's going on, all that good jazz. This really isn't too much of a show, but just keep you guys updated because I am freaking slammed out here with stuff that I need to do first. But first, take in that beauty. Look at that sucker. Man, she looks good all cleaned up, don't she? Purty bird. Anyway, so today we're getting the yard cleaned up. So mommy can, relax a little bit and not say, the yard looks like a used car lot or anything. So yeah, it gets kind of messy. Now I think we're gonna get rid of that pile today. Just to get rid of it, get it on out the way, make mommy even more happy. And holy cow, where'd my 69 go? Oh shoot, it's in the garage. And I'm not planning for her to ever come out until she's done. Will you just look at her? She's sitting there all cozy in her bed. I mean, this is not a cocoon. This is a, hey, we're getting closer kind of deal. And I cannot friggin' wait. If you're curious if we have electricity here yet or not, but nope, still not. But we're working on it. Good buddy of mine, Brock's supposed to come over, not this weekend because everybody will be, having a few barley pops. But next weekend, we're going to wire it up and get it ready. And whew, so much stuff to do. I got plumbing to do, all kind of good stuff still. And we decided to bring in the old IROC Z convertible while we was at it. Because, these are too nice cars just to set out there. You know what I mean? Just too nice. I mean, the 69, she's almost meant to be in the garage, that is, because she's crusty. Careful. I mean, I think old Dad's got his work cut out on this one. What do you think? The dash is not cracked at all. It's warped, but no crackage. Feed me. But we're gonna start ordering parts real soon on that. But first, we're going to get this IROC done because she is real close anyway. I mean, she is. I drove it in here, so excuse me. The only things I'm going to do to it is a 5-speed swap, little things, paint it top, which I'm actually going to have a Amish buddy of mine do that. So, and then we're going to. We might end up putting interior in it. Maybe, since it's faded and all. So, I mean, these 80s seats are a little less than desirable, just to say the least. So I might end up just replacing them. But I started out this episode telling you that Mama was telling me that I had somebody that she works with. And I actually know him. He's a pretty good fella. I actually know both his sons. And he watches the show, I guess, religiously. I'm not taking anything away from any of you that do watch it religiously. I think that's awesome. I appreciate every single one of you. She told me about this guy that she works with. And I've met him. I've talked to him a few times. Real good guy. Apparently he golfs. So, this is a little customer appreciation. Little viewer appreciation, I guess I would say, to this man. He actually has, and forgive me about the year, Tony, I don't remember what year you said, 2010-ish, somewhere in there, 12, somewhere in there, SS Camaro, and black with silver stripes. And that really surprised me because I think he's in his 60s. Pretty sure he is, like 65-ish, somewhere in there. But anyway, I decided to try to, show him just a little bit on how I appreciate him. Not that I don't appreciate y'all, but I got to show you guys this. So between Kristen and I, this here, apparently Tony likes to golf. So we picked up black silver stripes, and we just made that for him. This is a golf towel, I guess. I don't really golf, so I just looked it up on the Amazonian site, and then we made the logo. When I say we, I mean Kristen did. She made the logo for me and all, and put it on there, and she's pretty darn good at it. So thank you, sweetheart, I appreciate it. But I just want to show you guys a little bit what's going on, and I'm just trying to roll out these videos as much as I can. That way, so if I get any binge watchers, which is how I do it, you know, you guys will say, man, I wonder why I ain't seen him for a minute. Which is another thing Tony may have mentioned, since I've been busy in this garage trying to get everything together and everything done. And, you know, with the kids and all, it's exhausting. But nonetheless, I appreciate every one of you watching, taking your time out for me. I truly do. And Tony, I hope you appreciate this episode. This one was made for you and all my fans as usual. But I just want to show you guys, the cuckoo has landed in the nest. I mean, we're going to start trucking forward pretty hardcore. We got some things to do to the big red machine. I ordered a bunch of stuff for that sucker. I gotta do the oil screen, O-ring plug thing. I went ahead and ordered a brand new pickup tube with it, because that one's got 200,000 miles of sucking up whatever in it through the oil, and it could be a little blocked. Heck, I don't know. But I think the O-ring and all that good stuff was 50 bucks or something. So got all brand new rotors for it, all brand new brakes, spark plug wires. Yeah, they're about 3 inches long. So I mean, a thrust muffler because it's offset, you know. And that one's probably going to be on the show at least 1 or 12 times, especially whenever we get the stinking bed for it. Man, I just want a bed for it. I am afraid to throw, I'm telling you, I'm afraid to throw a log back there just because that side over there. I've half thought about cutting into the bed and just welding pieces just cause. But anyway, I got some honeydew stuff to do. Like, honey, do you care to mow the grass? And I say, sure. Let me move all these cars that you, I mean, it don't look that bad out here, right? Just, okay, I got a few. I can't help it. But you car guys sympathize with me. I know you do. And, well, I was just looking at the old big red machine. But as always, guys, I just want to keep you informed on what's going on here, and we're going to keep on trucking. We're going to keep on going for it. So, as always, thanks for watching. And if you don't mind, is it there? It's in one of these corners, I'm pretty sure. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. You'll have a great and safe Labor Day weekend. I appreciate you.